It's only been a day since Apple showed off the iPhone 17 line. Still, everyone's attention is now on Samsung's next big phone, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. A new leak suggests that the 3x telephoto zoom camera on Samsung's future Ultra might be a step backward. There were rumors earlier that Samsung might improve the 3x telephoto lens to a new 12-megapixel sensor, which made people very excited. Naturally, that made people want a clearer zoom and better close-ups. But a reliable leaker named Ice Universe says Samsung won't fully use that 12-megapixel power. The company might instead cut it down to just 10 megapixels. According to the report, the Galaxy S26 Ultra's 3x telephoto lens will have 10 megapixels, an f/2.4 aperture, a 13.94-inch sensor, and 1.0mm pixels. At first look, that might sound a lot like the Galaxy S25 Ultra setup, which had a 10-megapixel telephoto lens as well. But the devil is in the details, and this change could make the experience worse overall for users. To give you an idea, the Galaxy S25 Ultra had a 10-megapixel camera that was 13.53 inches wide and had pixels that were 1.112 millimeters tall. More light is caught by bigger pixels, which usually means that photos are brighter and clearer. By going down to 1.00 million pixels, the S26 Ultra's telephoto lens might not work well in low light, which could make zoom photos look less amazing than they did before. On the plus side, earlier rumors say the Galaxy S26 Ultra will keep the famous S Pen, have a slimmer and more refined design, and finally have faster 60W charging. Still, for camera fans, Samsung's next Ultra is the start of a new age of sleekness, where style and comfort come together without losing that signature high-end look. Ice Universe says that the Galaxy S26 Ultra is getting a better update. Samsung is softening the sides this time, unlike the S25 Ultra, which was more boxy and sharp. The middle frame curves more naturally, making the phone feel smoother in your hand while still making it look classy. The S26 Ultra is even thinner than the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which has a body that is 8.725 millimeters thick. The S26 Ultra is still a real monster. A huge 6.9-inch screen shines better than ever thanks to Samsung's third-generation anti-reflective glass, which cuts down on glare and makes color stand out. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.